So yesterday we learned about array list, right? Can you guys explain what is array list?
Array list, like we can select any type of like string, integers, booleans, whatever array we can add in that.
It's not we can select. We in the array list we can add any of this.
We can add, yeah, we can add
We can add anything, right? So
anything. Yes,
fixed length or it's not fixed length. I mean array list.
array list is not a fixed length.
It's not fixed length, right? We don't need to make
Yeah,
the fixed.
we don't need any fixed.
Okay. One second. Okay. And what are the other differences? Like, okay, one thing is it's not fixed length, array list. Okay, but array has fixed length. And array is a group of same kind of elements. But array list, we can add any data types. How to add the element to the array list? Tell me. How you will
Like
add any element to the array list?
yeah,
What method you will use?
method means like array list dot.
Okay, let's say I'm having array list new
Yeah,
array list. Okay, now my object dot
dot.
element.
Yeah. Now we have to add range.
Yeah, not add range. Yeah, add. If you are add
Okay.
another array or anything to this one, then we will use the add range.
Okay.
Okay, or add, let's say Anna. So if you are
Okay.
anything, another array is there, another queue is there, anything, range. Okay. So how to
Yep.
delete all the elements from the array list?
Clear.
It's dot clear.
Array list dot
At
clear.
any point of time, if you use this method, it will clear whatever it's there.
Yeah.
Again, if you add, it will add. That's after you add, it will add. So how to get the element out from the array list?
Element like
How many
which element?
are there in the array list?
2.
Huh? What you need to use? How to get the element count?
Element count is 1.
No. I am not asking about this particular array list. Now you know it, right? Let's say you can have 1 million or 100 or 99 or anything. How to get that one count?
Oh, count.
Yeah. Do we have any property or method for that?
Oh, yes. Mm, count like length. We use
Length. Yeah.
length.
Always
Yeah.
length in Shisha.
Yes.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Now we have another data types. Okay. I will show you. Shisha. So mostly we will use the hash table, but I will show you dictionary also, list and dictionary also.
Okay.
List. The list is, see, everything belongs to some namespace, right? All these are classes, right? Or interface. Okay? Everything belongs to some namespace. Namespace is a collection of classes or interfaces, right? So this belongs to system.collections.generic. So previously, when we created array list, here you will see system.collections that belongs to system collections. Okay, array. Okay, but list is it's a generic one. Okay, generic collection. System.collections.generic. So then see a list of the equivalent to the equivalent of the array list, which implements iList interface. Okay, I will explain you what is interface. Okay, and class. Okay, interface don't have any discrete methods. It have only declaration of the methods. Like it don't have any concrete methods. Let's say public. How we are creating class? Let's say CLS STUD. So here we are having methods, right? But interface,
Yes.
public keyword is interface. Let's say INF1.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, here we don't need to have parentheses. Okay. So here now here you can have the methods. Let's say public void. Let's say display name. But you are putting the colon here. You are not having any body. Understand? In interface. So for all the methods, you are going to have like this. But where is the code for this? Who will implement this one? Okay, whoever derived from this interface. Still, we did not learn about inheritance. Once we learn about inheritance, you will understand. Okay, that time we will discuss about interface and abstract classes also. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, like this interface. Okay, so now here list is a interface. I list. Okay, interface. I means interface. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it has the methods like add range. Okay, same methods. So built-in methods. It's not our methods, right?
Okay. Yeah.
When we call this method internally, there is some code. That code will be called, right? That code will be executed. What this code is doing, it's adding the elements to the list, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how to access the element uh, list of index. Index starts with 0.
Mm-hmm.
The name of index. Same like array, right? Array name of index, right? 0. Index starts with 0. Okay, got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how to create the list? Okay. List of, what is the list? List of integers. You are mentioning data type.
Okay. Yeah.
Creating array int bracket you are giving, right? But here list of in these brackets integer. Then some
Mm-hmm.
name for your list, new list of integer. This is the declaration. So
Okay.
remember the parenthesis here. Okay. Now how to add?
Mm-hmm.
This is the list name dot add. Then 2, 3, 5, 7. So it will take like strings. We will try. Okay. Let's create a arrays, right? I'm going to create one more. How to create the class? Tell me.
Yeah, we have to reselect, like right click then C sharp learning. There is a new, I mean, like
Add,
class. Yeah. Uh-huh.
add. You can go
There is a class
item
down or new one.
or new and class.
Mhm.
I'm giving the
Class,
name
yes.
class something.
Like list arrays, something like.
So now
Mhm.
we need to have test case to execute. It's not coming. Why it's
Mhm.
not coming? Okay, it's coming. Actually, you need to use using NUnit
Mhm.
dot framework. All these annotations, assertions, everything coming from the
And unit.
now public void. I'm giving some learn list something like that. Now I'm pasting this code. Okay, got it? Add
Mm-hmm.
elements using this one. So let me do one thing. Let's say I'm giving the list name is prime numbers dot add. I am passing something like Mahesh.
Mm-hmm.
See what is happening? Cannot convert from string to int because this is a integer list.
Mm-hmm.
This is what type of list this is integers. So it will accept
Integers.
only integers.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? It will accept only integers. So compilation error. Okay. So we cannot, whatever the data type you mentioned here, same data types you can add. It won't allow
Yes, yes.
anything else. Okay.
Yeah.
We will see what are the other properties or methods are there. Control dot write line. Okay. Control dot write line. This is the list name, private numbers dot. So that is object, right? Count.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Before that, I am putting some static one. Element count is and
Mm-hmm.
pending whatever there, right? So now learn about list. Run. See how much?
Yeah, 4.
4 it's coming. Is it 5? 1, 2,
Mhm.
3, 4. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing control dot right line. Let's say second element is, I want to
Mm-hmm.
second element. What we need to
Okay.
list of 1 I am doing
Mm-hmm.
because index starts with 0.
Yes, yes.
1 means second element.
Second element.
What it will print?
3.
3. 3. You understand now?
Mm-hmm.
To access.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I want to print, I want to iterate through all the elements from the list. I want to print everything. What to do?
Okay. Element. I mean, like length.
Hmm?
Length.
That
Element
is,
count is.
there is nothing called length. Here we have count property for the list. Already we use that one. Count, it will show how many elements are there. But our requirement,
Uh,
I want to print everything. 2, 3, 5, 7.
okay, 4. 4
Huh?
we have.
Yeah, how to print that? Do we need to write like this? Prime numbers of 0, prime numbers of 1, prime numbers of.
No, no, no. You have to write like elements is equal to plus prime numbers 4.
Do you understand the requirement? So let's say
Oh yeah,
we
you're
have 10
telling me
numbers.
like that we have to
It's,
print everything.
yeah, how to do that? Let's say I have 500 elements in my list.
Mm-hmm.
So I need to write 500 lines of code.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, then how to do that? Already multiple times we did that. You need to use the loop for
Yeah, we can. Yeah, for loop.
for
Okay.
int I equal to 0, I starts with 0, I less than prime numbers dot count. In this
Okay.
4. So 0 to 3,
4. Yeah,
I plus plus.
plus plus
Right
for
now,
loop.
control dot right line. Remove this.
Elements are element. Yeah.
Instead of 1, I.
Yes.
Time it will change 0, 1, 2, 3, then it will come out.
Yeah.
Now let's go here. Run. You understand this? 2, 3.
Yes, yes. 5, 7.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Can have any numbers. 1 million elements also. Automatically this will be 1 million in that case.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Now this is a
Yes, yes.
integer list. Similar way,
Okay.
the, now you give me the code for the
Mm-hmm.
list of strings. I want some cities from USA, major cities, 5 major
Okay.
cities. Yeah.
Okay.
How to write the code?
List string.
List
String.
string
Like city names.
major. I'm giving lists
List cities.
equals
Is equal to new.
new list
New
string.
list
Okay.
string. Yep.
string
Now we have to like list city
list one
Dot add
dot some anything like Hyderabad.
add ci. Oh,
dollars.
okay, US logo.
Mm.
Okay.
Yep. Coming to whatever we have to
Cities
list
dot add
and
my favorite city, Baltimore.
okay.
Baltimore. Baltimore, Maryland. Okay. And Columbus.
Columbus.
Same way, Orlando. Okay. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is this working fine or not? Okay, we will do just console dot write line. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, oh, that is the same one we have, right? Same test case.
Mm-hmm.
See, cities count is 4. That means
4, yes.
5, whatever we created. So
Mm-hmm.
can we do like lists of cities dot add 40, something like that?
40.
Yeah.
You're telling? It won't print. I
Because
mean,
it's
like it's
integer.
not a integer. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's not a string.
it's not string.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So this
Mm-hmm.
is how we can use the, we have add range method also. Okay. So you can practice
Okay.
practicing. Okay. So you go through all the built-in methods. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Range, you can add another list also. There are 2 lists. Let's say there are 2, you create 2 string lists. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can add one string list to another string list using the
Mm-hmm.
add range.
Okay.
Right now we have cities, right? So this is
Mm-hmm.
other, this is array, string array. So we can add
Okay.
array also, right? This is string list, right? So they are adding string array also because it is also having the strings only, right? That's the reason. But can you add the integer array? No, it won't take. Got it? So
Yeah.
string list, this is string list. So where means anything. So anything it will decide based on the right side one, whatever you mention.
Given on the right side.
List of
Okay.
string. So here this will be equivalent to I list of strings.
Oh.
So
Yeah, new list strings.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, understand? So
Mm-hmm.
string list, they are adding string array. It will accept. The string list
Mm-hmm.
is having only strings, right? But
Yes.
you add the integer array to the string list? No.
No.
No. Got it? That is about list.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Same way we have sorted list. What is the difference between that one and this one? Okay. So sorted list. Again, it will take 2 parameters, key value pairs. Previously, we are passing only one parameter, right? List,
Mm-hmm.
some integer or string. But here, key value pairs we can take. So here, like this. So sorted list, first data type, second data type. Got it? Like state and, let's say, state and capital city you want to display. So we'll take string comma string.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Or you are giving
String.
ranks to the states, like state rank 1 integer on state name, like Texas or Florida or Michigan or something like that.
Sorted means we can only have like int string 2 or
No,
we
any
can use
data
in
type here. Two
any
data
data
types.
type. Okay.
Two data types.
Any two
Yeah,
data
any
types.
2 data types.
Okay.
Correct?
Limited to 2.
Yeah. Add,
Okay.
again, how to add method.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a key value.
Mm-hmm.
Same way, dictionary also. This is also very, very important in an interview point of view or in a real time also. So here,
Mm-hmm.
I dictionary and 2 data types,
Mm-hmm.
like sorted list. Okay.
Okay. Here also like it's limited to
Yeah.
2 data types.
New dictionary, this one. So
Income.
here you need to pass the same.
Yeah.
If you pass string, it will throw the error.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Because here it's mentioned integer, right? So first parameter
Okay.
integer only.
So what is the difference between int and dictionary then? I mean like sorted list and
Yeah, yeah, there will be
dictionary.
difference. Okay, we will try that one. Okay, so basically,
Mm-hmm.
no, keys must be unique and cannot be null for this one. This is the key. Okay, it won't allow duplicate values. First thing. Okay, values.
Like it won't allow 0
No, no, it won't allow duplicate values.
duplicate. Okay, okay. So
Already
we
we
have to
have
give
one.
only
Already you
one.
have one
It
for the
won't.
key. Again, you cannot add one more element with the one.
Okay.
Got it? The values can be null or duplicate.
Null or duplicate.
Yeah, it will allow null or it can be duplicate values, but key cannot be duplicate. Okay, elements are sorted as key value pair. Okay, so you ask sorted list versus dictionary in C#, right?
Mm-hmm.
So in sorted list, we can access the elements using the index. Okay, so in dictionary, you can access the elements using index or key. You know the key, right? First, you are adding a key and a value pair, right? First one is the, understand? First one is the,
Oh, it is sorted list and sorted dictionary. So both are like sorted, but list and
yeah,
dictionary
yeah,
are
yes.
separate.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here key access is sufficient. There is no need of accessing element using the index.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. In sorted list, data are already sorted form. If it is sorted form. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That is the one. Okay. So mostly we will use hash table. Okay. Then what is hash table is a class. Previous one are interfaces, right? So hash table is a class. It's a non-generic collection. That means non-generic means system.collections. It's not system.collections.generic. List is coming from system.collections.generic, right? Okay. But here hash table is a non-generic collection that stores key value pairs. Same way, like if you want to store like two kinds of data, like key value pair, like city name, I mean like state name and capital. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
take this one. Okay, hash table. Hash table is not sorted. Understand? Data is it won't display in the sorted data. How to create a test case? Actually, okay, here public void learn hash table. Hash table, they gave this hash table. Let's say cities. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
cities dot add. So using the add method only, we are adding, right? Cities dot
Mm-hmm.
add. First one I am giving state name, Texas, and capital, Austin, something like that. Okay. Now here, second one, I'm giving NJ, New Jersey. Third one I am giving city, Hartford, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will see how to, now we added the elements, but how to access the elements? Okay. Let's see. First, control dot, right line, cities of, see, it's showing key, cities of, I am giving Texas. We will see what this will print. Okay. Cities of Texas.
Mm-hmm.
We will see what this will print. Let's put a breakpoint. Okay. Now debug. Okay. Then, so cities of Texas, right click. If you want, you can see in the quick watch. See what is there, what it is returning? It's returning the value. When you're accessing the element using the
Mm-hmm.
key, it's showing the value. Okay, clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is, you understand, dot, that's a dot count. What is dot count? You see, property. It's not method, right? 3.
Okay.
Okay, see in the debug mode, you can execute the code in the quick watch window also, right? So,
Mm-hmm.
dot count 3. That is how we can get the number of elements. What else is there?
Okay.
You can execute the code, clear.
Clear. Okay, so
Okay,
it will
let's
be
say it's a
clear.
method. It's a method. Clear. It clear. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now you check cities dot count. See 0. See, first I executed the clear method. Then again I am checking the cities dot count 0. Clear? Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You understand all those methods and everything, right? And now,
Mm-hmm.
same way, how to iterate the hash table one. So let's say for int I equal to 0, I less than what property we need to use? How to get the length?
Cities
This dot count.
dot account. Yeah.
Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
plus plus.
Plus plus.
For array length properties, for all these collections, count. Okay.
Count. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now how to access this one? So we will see. We cannot go with the key, right? So
Mm-hmm.
cities of key. It won't work. So there is something called for each. Okay. For each loop to access the collection. For each
Mm-hmm.
dictionary entry. For each dictionary entry, I am giving some names like entry in what is our hashtag name? In cities. Now control dot right line uh, entry dot value. Understand? For each, what type of this one? Dictionary entry. Okay, dictionary entry, and I am giving the name. We can give any variable. Okay, entry in cities in this hash table. Then this entry dot value. So what is the value? First one like this, Austin. This one, but look at the order here: Austin, New Jersey, Hartford. When we add it, but this will print in the order. We will check. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
see. That is why 4 elements are coming. Austin is coming twice. Okay, here this because of this control dot right line. Okay, so now
Mm-hmm.
run this. Hartford, Austin, New Jersey. Hmm? But you see what is the order we added? Austin, New Jersey, Hartford. Austin,
Okay.
New Jersey, Hartford. Is it coming in the order? No. Randomly it will come.
Why?
Yeah, that is the behavior of the hash table. It's not sorted.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? Same way, if you
Mm-hmm.
want to check some, it contains some key. Okay, let's say here cities dot contains. You see, there is a method called contains value, and it's taking the parameter value. So I am passing the value Chicago. Okay. So now this is a built-in method for the hash table, right? This is our hash table object. So what this method will return? Tell me. Contains value, and we are passing some value.
It
What
won't
is
give. I mean, like
what is the
other.
return type? Tell
Like
me what method, every method have return type, right? Normally yesterday we learned about methods, right? So
mm-hmm.
should be the return type for this. Tell me. Is it int or string or boolean or decimal, or what exactly the return type for this?
It's string, right? Chicken.
String. It
Mm-hmm.
contains, what is the method name they have given? Contains value. That means what?
Contains value.
Uh,
Okay, it's like boolean then.
Boolean. It will return true.
Yeah. True
So
or
they are
false.
checking this hash table contains the value Chicago. In this case,
Mm-hmm.
what it will return? It's
It
everything.
will return. Mm-hmm.
True or false?
It is not. False.
False. Why? Chicago is not there.
Is not there. Yes.
See?
Mm-hmm.
Understand? Like
Yes.
when you are practicing, you have to practice these all these questions, based on our requirement, we will write the code, right? There is a
Well,
we need to check it contains some value. Then we will use this method. Otherwise, we don't use it.
Okay. Condense value. Okay.
Yeah, got it? Let's see
Mm-hmm.
what others contains key. Definitely, if they created method for contains value, they might have created method for contains key also, right?
yeah.
Dot contains key.
Contains key. Mm-hmm.
Contains key. I am keeping Texas.
Mm-hmm.
What this will return?
Contains key. Yeah, it will return like true.
Because it contains key, right? Texas somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you understand the methods? If you are checking
Mm-hmm.
key contains key. If you are checking by the
Mm-hmm.
value contains value. This is the one
Yeah.
we have got. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Just contains method also there. You will see.
Better
Contains అన్నప్పుడు
Sorry. Contains
Texas.
key.
Oh,
Checking by the key only.
okay.
Let's say I'm checking Connecticut. What this will return?
false.
Yeah, it
Huh?
will come true. True.
Okay, true.
Connecticut is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
True. You understand all these three methods?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how to
Yeah.
the element count from the hash table? Dot count is there.
Count?
Dot count property is there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You understand all these things?
Mm-hmm.
How to iterate? This is how we will iterate. For lists, unsorted list, all those things, we use the for loop.
Mm-hmm.
Arrays and all those things. One dimensional array, two dimensional. But here, hash table, use the for each. For each
Mm-hmm.
dictionary entry, and you can give any name here in hash table. Then
Okay.
control dot write line that hash table this entry dot value. Entry dot
Entry dot value.
if you do entry dot key, it will print the key. Texas,
Okay.
Connecticut, or entry dot value. Understand?
Okay.
This
Okay.
is the hash table.
Mm-hmm.
Previously it was printing value, right? Now run it
Yeah, it will
with the
bring
keys.
and Texas. Yeah, key.
Okay, it won't
Mm-hmm.
be order hash table. Okay, it's not
Mm-hmm.
clear. This is about all the same way you have stack and queue. You can practice. It's very easy. Same way.
Mm-hmm.
Stack of integers. Okay, and what method we have push to insert or add element, right? Object dot push 1 2 3 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like see you are putting, let's say, on the table you are keeping one book, on top of that one more book, one more book, one more book, like that. So
Okay.
you want to take out last in first out. What kind of data structure this is? Last in, whatever the last book that is first out, right? You will take that out,
Okay.
right? So
Mm.
to insert into the stack, to put it in the add it into the stack, push method you will use. Okay, they created a method
Okay.
push. Okay,
We can take any data type. Take it in stack also.
yeah, any data type, any data.
Okay.
How to
Mhm.
iterate through this one? For each,
For each. Okay.
for each. See here, they used where means anything. Item
In
in my stack,
yeah.
in my stack,
Mm-hmm.
control dot write line, this
Mm-hmm. Item.
item comma they printed. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here you can see the run. See, 4 3 2 1.
Mm-hmm.
Last in, first out. Okay, let's say
Okay.
control dot write line, they are just printing the item. Then comma they are printing. Then control dot write. It's not write line. You understand the difference? If you put write line, everything will
Mm-hmm.
be displayed in one line. You see?
Okay.
I can remove the comma also.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Or
Mm-hmm.
2 1. So let's do one thing. Numbers dot. We will see what other methods are there. The name is numbers dot clear.
Okay. Then it will clear everything.
Yeah. See nothing.
Mm-hmm.
As before executing the for loop for each loop, we
Mm-hmm.
Numbers are clear.
are clearing that. Same way,
Mm-hmm.
have any method dot count. Okay,
Count means it will, yeah.
this will display
4.
4.
4, yeah.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Now we can practice here also. Under the main method,
Okay.
we can write the code. Okay, anything.
Yeah.
Got it? This is about
Mm-hmm.
the collection. Same way Q is there. Q is first in, first out. Right? If you are in the
Okay.
first in, first out. For this,
Okay.
NQ, DQ. NQ means adding, DQ means deleting. Same way, properties. What properties are there? Count. What are the methods are there? NQ, DQ, P, contains, we are checking, are clear.
Okay.
Right? These are all the collections, Shisha. These are very, very important concepts. Okay? Interview point.
Okay.
Also, they will ask a lot of questions on this one.
C#
Mahesh, any
collections.
questions? So, yesterday,
No.
it's a Word document, right? Okay? In the
Yeah,
sample.
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
So, you can practice, you can write your own code, you try, okay? Learning about
Mhm.
meaning properties and methods, you will understand. Everything, if you don't, if they are not explaining any method, you can Google it out
Okay.
Okay.
and more about that one, okay?
Mhm.
Anju, any questions you are following? Okay. So, what are all the collections? Array list, sorted list, dictionary,
Sort list,
table,
dictionary,
stack,
hash table, stack.
stack, queue.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Here we missed one thing, a ternary operator. While learning about if else statements, ternary operator. So normally how we are writing if else, if condition equal to true, then execute some code, else execute some code. So we are
Mm-hmm.
writing 6 lines of code. Instead of writing 6 lines, we can write the
Mm-hmm.
code in 1 line. Okay. Let's say
Yeah.
age, look at here. Yeah, notepad I got. Okay, condition, right? Age greater
Mm-hmm.
than 18, then statement, measure something like that.